Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a list of related keywords on Pinterest. For this particular example, I will choose the main keyword cooking. So you just have to write cooking, to type in cooking on the search bar. And then as you can see here, you have some suggested keywords. These keywords are the ones that Pinterest are basically telling us could be something that maybe you want to search, and it's something that other people are searching, but that doesn't give us a lot of insight. So just type in your search and then click enter. Now once you find your search results here, all you have to do is move your cursor right to the upper left part, right outside of the box. If you go into the box, then it will become a clickable item. You don't want it to become a clickable item, otherwise this won't work. So you come to the outside, right? Then you click Control, Control plus left click, right? For you Mac users out there, that's Command and left click. Okay, so just click Control and left click, and then drag it to the right. Okay, now you can just stop holding the buttons. As you can see here, you have a highlighted section. Now it's in blue. In this case, what you want to do is to click Control plus C, or Command and C for Mac users. Now there is an alternative to this. You can do a right click, and on the menu, it's a menu that will appear here. You want to click copy. Okay, that's Control C. That will copy every single one of these keywords that is selected here. Now in some cases we're talking about hundreds of keywords. Okay, so if you want to do it manually, it will take a really long time. So I recommend you do it like this. Now, after you've copied every single one of your keywords, what you want to do is to go back to Excel. And in this case here, I have my main keyword, right? And here is a list for related keywords. What you want to do is to hold Control plus B. That's letter B, right? And here you will have a list of every single one of those keywords. Now, in this case, we found 80 keywords that you can target. And the good thing about this is that they are listed as the most important ones, cooking from the most important ones to the least important ones, I guess you could say that. So we have cooking recipes, cooking techniques, cooking tips, cooking hacks, cooking healthy, cooking videos, cooking man. I mean, that sounds weird, but you get the gist of it. In this case, these are all keywords that people are using to find content. So what you can do is use those keywords and create targeted content that will serve them the best possible results. Now the cool thing about this is that you get the link as well. So if you want to do the search, just click here and a new window will open with the search that you requested. Now this also makes things easier for us as marketers because it saves us time. Now you can just select the pins that you want to save, and then save them to your boards. You can schedule them, right, or you can save them. So that's it. I guess I really hope it helps. If you have any questions, let me know.